हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 7 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप ट्रेंडिंग करंट अफेयर MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंडियाज फर्स्ट प्राइवेट स्पेस बेस्ड इंटरनेट सर्विस विल बी लॉन्च्ड बाय whom? And the answer is Anand Technologies. About Anand Technologies: company type, private, industry, aerospace, founded 17 August 1992, Hyderabad, founder Subba Rao, headquarters Hyderabad, Telangana. Second question: Operation Mad Max, which was recently in the news, was conducted by which organization? And the answer is Narcotics Control Bureau. About Narcotics Control Bureau, that is NCB, formed 17 March 1986, headquarters New Delhi, Director General Anurag Garg, Parent Agency Ministry of Home Affairs and National Agency India. Third question: Mukhyamantri Vrindavan Gram Yojana has been launched by which state? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Fourth question: where is the fourth International Financing for Development Conference being held? And the answer is Spain. Fifth question: where is the FIDE Women's World Cup 2025 being held? And the answer is Georgia. About Fédération Internationale des Echecs, formation year 20th July 1924, headquarters Switzerland, type international organization, president Arkady Dvorkovich. Sixth question: which state has recently launched the initiative of home delivering goods under public distribution system? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. Seventh question: what is the name of the newly inaugurated Advanced Digital Studio at the Indian Institute of Public Administration? And the answer is Srishti. Eighth question: which edition of Durand Cup, Asia's oldest football tournament, will be held in the year 2025? And the answer is 134th. About Durand Cup, founded 1888, reason India, number of teams 24, organizing body Durand Football Tournament Society and AIFF. Ninth question: what is the name of the recently launched portal that provides open access to national and state level data on student performance? And the answer is Parakh Rashtriya Survekshan Dissemination Portal. 10th question: Saksham 3000 is a high capacity switch router developed by which organization? And the answer is Center for Development of Telematics, that is CDOT. About Center for Development of Telematics, founded 25 August 1984, founder Sam Pitroda, headquarters Delhi, India, formed 25 August 1984. 11th question: which city became the Odisha's 6th municipal corporation? And the answer is Puri. 12th question: International Day of Cooperative 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 5th July. 13th question. World Zoonosis Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? And the answer is 6th July. 14th question. Recently, the statue of the legendary Maratha warrior Peshwa Bajirao I has been unveiled at which place? And the answer is NDA Pune. 15th question. What is the name of India's first national level cooperative university whose foundation stone laid in Anand, Gujarat? And the answer is Tribhuvan Sakari University. 16th question. Who became the youngest ever player to hit fastest ODI century in under-19 cricket? And the answer is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. 17th question. Who became the second Indian after Sunil Gavaskar to hit double century and century in same test? And the answer is Shubham Gill. 18th question. Who won the inaugural edition of Neeraj Chopra Classic Event 2025? And the answer is Neeraj Chopra. 19th question. Which country hosts the 17th edition of BRICS Summit 2025? And the answer is Brazil. About BRICS. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Korea. Formation 16 June 2009. Founded at Russia. Type Intergovernmental Organization. Membership Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Egypt, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Iran and UAE. And the last 20th question. Where is the 23rd Asia Regional Meeting of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons held in July 2025? And the answer is New Delhi. तो ये थे 7 जुलाई के टॉप 20 करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु हैज़ गॉट द ऑनर ऑफ बिकमिंग द फर्स्ट फीमेल पायलट ऑफ द इंडियन नेवी। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।